Namaste friends, this is Madhura from Mathrivani. Since I am an exclusively cloth diapering mom, I share many videos related to cloth diapers. So check the description box for the links of those videos. Those videos may help if you wish to buy different types of reusable and economical and eco-friendly cloth diapers. In this video, I am going to talk about cover diapers. Here I am showing a cover diaper by Quick Dry. It's named as Paw diaper. This is the diaper cover. Why we call this as cover? Because there is no fleece material or pocket here. In AIO or all-in-one or pocket diapers, the shell has pocket. Covers are also available in solid colors or in different prints. I always suggest that buy cover and insert of the same brand so they are most compatible one, or else in the first try itself you may feel difficult or may face leakage on use. In this diaper, Velcro is given in both insert and cover, so attach them. Waist has snap buttons. Put them as you require the size. This is not an one size cover diaper, so you get only few waist snaps and no rise settings. Based on the baby's weight, you can decide the diaper size like extra small, small, medium, large or extra large. And this is the cover diaper by another brand called Bunbury. It's an one size diaper. Look at the snaps, you get more number of buttons and adjust the size from 3 months to 3 years. And I am showing the smallest rise setting and inner side shows the clear PUL. So the cover is completely waterproof. In one size diapers, insert will be little lengthy for smaller rise setting. So you can fold the insert at the front or the back side and use the diaper. Next I wanted to talk about the advantages of the cover diapers. Cover diapers are best for daytime. You can reuse the cover after the insert is full. Usually cover diapers come with cotton insert where the layer which touches the baby's skin will be fleece. So after 2 to 3 years, diaper insert become full and that time remove the soiled insert and wipe the cover with wet cloth and allow it to air dry. Just in few minutes you can air dry them and reuse the cover. So you need only 2 covers for entire day unless your baby poops. You can reuse the cover, change only the insert. So this is economical too. You can buy number of inserts but only few covers are enough. So who wish to maintain minimum diaper stash, choose the covered diapers for daytime. Is there any disadvantages? You can overcome this disadvantage, but I wanted to say this. Since there is no fleece layer, we can't use homemade cloth insert or folded cloth as it is because baby feel wet without fleece layer. How to overcome this? It's easy because separate fleece liners are available. You can buy them and I will share the information about those liners in the coming videos. Please note, if baby poop on the diaper, please don't reuse the cover just to maintain the hygiene. Thank you for watching.